Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you some stuff with Quark. So after you install the program, first what you need to do is configuration, then you need to click Quake 2 and find the location you have the game, like I've got on the F hard drive, games, and Quake 2. Yeah. The other thing you need to do is to make location for compilation files like I've got here, but I need to change that. So click here and the first program is for BSP. The second one is for VIS, and the last one is for RAD. What you need to do here is to put those comments in the line under the file location, like I've got here for VIS. It's this one, it doesn't matter, it's for your threads I've got for on my CPU, and the main command here is fast. It will make compile file faster, and in this one you need to put chop 1024. Yep, that's it. Now we need to go to do some options like 3D view. We want OpenGL. I think nothing more. You can change the color of the vacuum space, speed of the moving cameras, software no, OpenGL. I didn't change anything here. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. And you go straight to the textures browser and make dimension of textures 128. I think that's the best one. I will show you what this does. Yeah, that's just apply, okay. And now we need to add some textures. So you go toolboxes, texture browser, and you have basic ones, original textures here, and that thing 128 dimensions. You can see here it's bigger, better to see everything here. Yeah, because the new box you made is always size 128, 128, 128. So you need to have in your game folder in Quake 2 new folder named whatever you want. Mine is 4Bidden. You make the new folder textures and put all the folder with textures you want to use. That's it. Now you need to click to make a new main folder. Choose the last option, then type anything you want to, blah blah blah. So now you have new folder here, and you click on it, click on that red something and choose your folder. Now you have all the textures from that folder. Yep, that's it for now. And yeah, we start to make a new map. You click here, new Quake to map. And the first thing you do, you delete this crap. Yeah, you can choose from here to select only entities or brushes or everything. Like now I have entities, so it will delete the start, up and light, but start I will leave, so I delete only light and delete all brushes. Now we have limitation of these blue lines, and the best way is to do maps in the right up corner, like it will be here, here and here, because over there we have easy to do double jumps and all the stuff working great in this sector. Now we're gonna start with the box. Yeah, I already choose the different textures in options. It is here. You can change default texture, like mine is this, because I like this texture pack so much. Yo, this is camera. You wanna move camera to see what he's already doing. So yo, the box is coming like that, and you make sure you do like this option and adjust texture, so it will look good. This box is 128 size on every side. So what I basically do is make zoom 1 to 4, 1/4, so I can see those lines very nice. And yeah, this is the way how you do the maps. You fit those boxes into those lines. Like, you don't go like that or like that or like that. You need to fit those lines. It's very important, because you are not going to have any problem with the textures. As you can see, it fits very nicely. And for additional, if you test the map later on, you will edit the map very easily. So yeah, you do the walls. And of course make sure that this is always 16. Grid is always 16. Sometimes I move to 8, which makes less, I don't know how to say, but yes, I just use 16 all the time, so you are out of trouble. Let's make those walls and the roof, floor. There are a lot of copy paste. So yeah, this is a room. Here, it's not big. And the map should be big, like one of the sector could be great for the lights and fast compiling, otherwise it will be a problem. And the other thing you need to know is avoid very long and b equals, because Quake limitation doesn't like it. So yeah, you always create a new box. That's a big box. I call it big box. You can make the big box, and the medium box is half and a half and a half of it, which looks like that. You can't jump on it. In game you can't, it's too high. But if you go under the line, under the zero spot, on the minus, you can jump on it. It's not a problem over there. And the small one, let's make zoom. The small one looks half and a half of it. So you can make double jump. For easier double jump, you made just one bigger from the small boxes, or one smaller from the medium box. But I don't recommend it when you want it's just for easy maps. I don't. Yeah. I will create map next time. For now I just wanna show you some basic stuff. You can rotate those boxes with this and this. Never use this one, it's crap. Never ever use this one. And you can make a box smaller with that, the medium size, and do the small size, and even further. I think that's the box for the lights. It looks so small. Yeah, what you need to do is to keep always size 16. Make boxes in those lines. Keep the size right so you don't fuck the textures. And yeah, in word spawn as you click anywhere on the map. You click word spawn, message, you can write any message, it's a title of the map. Gravitation, next map doesn't work. Sky, yeah, you can choose the other skies, like from, I've got one here. It's always in folder NV, jump NV, and whatever you choose it will work. But remember, you see here is ending BK, down, forward, left, right, up, back, I think, yeah. So what you do is just take whole name before those things changes. Like I need only this thing and just put it here. Yeah, it should look like that without the dot bug. It will fix by itself. So now if I do the sky, it should be different. And ground and sky. Yeah. You can make sky with textures, flags. No draw, so it's invisible, so you don't see that yellowish thing on it. You make it sky, so it will use that NV thing, and you can make it light, but you need to put value as well for that sky and for that small room. I think 100 is enough. For the real small lights like this one, you want to make a value like 100 and just adjust that one. Just click on that, only on that side light, and on the small ones 10,000 is very good. I'm not sure if we're gonna see this. Let's leave it over there. You can even make it inside the wall. You see, now I have problem to fit it correctly because of the 16 grid. So then on the lights you can use 8, but be careful, be careful. I'm using the arrows, so because sometimes with the mouse it's not that easy to move them. So now it's in the middle of that wall, on that texture. Now you see it's inside, so you click on it and make brush subtraction with his Ctrl B. It will separate the wall. Now wall is few parts and this is inside. Now we can check how it is in the map. Save as file. Yeah, new map is okay. Let's check. You do Quake. For the testing without lights, fastest full bright, we go. And now we choose the easy theme. Yeah, this light, it gives you lights, but because of the skylight it doesn't give you much now. And here I'm not sure why we don't have that box, the big box. Let me check. Ah yeah, we delete them. Whatever. Anything to know is info player co-op is, I don't know what is it, but intermission is the camera after changing the map, so you can set up everywhere on the map. Deathmatch doesn't work on our German server. Jump mods, you can do it instead of start, so multi-respawn will be available if you put some of them. Light, I'm not using those lights. Weapons, yeah, teleporters, you can make teleporters, like this is teleport. You put it here on the floor. If you want it to be invisible, I'm using grid 01 and press 2 times arrow, it will disappear. Then go back to 16 and let's make you can change the name, like I just give the different numbers if you have many portals in your map. And from the MISC you choose not teleport destination, like here. You choose where the after teleportation person going to look, which direction. Like let's do it back. This one I will keep so we can see. And target name is tel1, yeah. You can do the 2 if it's second teleporter, but you need to do in that teleporter as well. So if I do the name 2 here, it doesn't work now. There are no arrow. If I change it, now we can see it works. Let's check it in game. you cannot see now, but it works. It works. So I think that's it. Nothing more to show you. I'm not using anything from other thing. Yeah. That's it. I can show you the last map I did, which is Pain 5. Took me like 30 hours. 30 hours. It's big like this, but it's not high, which is good. It works. I just started from here. This is the start. Those walls I made first, and then fill the room with those boxes everywhere. Hehe. Yeah, you can make the jumps first, then add all extras here. And what I have for you guys is basic stuff. It will be for under the video link for that one. Here you can have all the ramps you asked me for, with the very good texturing. It fits very well, like you can see here. Everything is in good size stuff. You have lights here. Yep. And yeah, you have boxes, normal ramps, big ramps, small those curve walls, and small ramps, tiny ramps. Yep, that's it. Columns for top and for the walls. I really like to combine them together. And if you have room, like, I can copy from here to new map. So it's here. I will put it into my room, and let's make it nicely around the room. So you put that one in the middle, and no, it's okay if you put it inside of that box, but it will be collide or something like that. And the way you need to do is make it like that, and this one like that, so it will fit. As you can see, it's like one big pipe. You can do it on the other side. And do it here. Copy, paste, move object, rotate to the other side, the fastest way. Copy that one, paste, rotate, and it looks like that. So we can do many extras with that one. And the other thing I want you to show is how you can know how long you can jump. So I made the jump test for it, which is the, so you can see how many boxes and the gap between them, so you can so you can jump on it. I think I made mistake, like this one should be here. You can see that on that picture. 1.5 for the first one, the gap between the boxes. This is the one box. 1.5, 2, 2.5, 2.5, 2 should be 3 or 3.5, depends on difficulty you want it. It's very easy now in this one. So yeah, that's how it is. And thank you for watching.